everyone, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you
a very easy and a highly effective home remedy to get fair, glowing and a milky white skin instantly with this homemade skin lightening and whitening cream. This skin lightening and whitening cream is highly effective and is made up of 100% natural ingredients which instantly brightens your skin complexion and make it much fairer, glowing, radiant. And this cream also helps you in removing all your suntan, acne, blemishes, and also evens out your skin complexion, making it more fairer, glowing, radiant and much spotless and crystal clear than before. So to prepare this highly effective homemade skin lightening and whitening cream, you firstly gonna need licorice powder. This powder is also known as yashti madhu, or it's also known as mulethi powder. After this powder, you're gonna need sandalwood powder. Now to prepare this cream, you firstly have to add half a teaspoon licorice powder or mulethi powder in a clean bowl. After that, you have to add half a teaspoon sandalwood powder in it. And then you have to mix both these powder ingredients really nicely so that they combine with each other nicely and makes a good mixture. After mixing them, you have to add approx 1 to 2 teaspoon rose water in it. And then again mix everything really nicely to make a smooth and a lump-free paste. And after mixing all these three ingredients really nicely, now you have to strain this mixture with the help of a strainer. Or to strain this mixture, you can also use a cheesecloth or a cotton cloth. Just strain it nicely to remove all the dirt and impurities from this paste. And after straining it well, your base ingredient to prepare this cream is ready. And now let's prepare this highly effective skin lightening and whitening cream. And to prepare that, you firstly have to take 2 tablespoons of this paste in a clean bowl. After that, we are using the vitamin E oil, and you can also use the vitamin E capsules which are easily available at any pharmacy store for just Rs 20 or 25. And now I'm adding half a teaspoon vitamin E oil in it. After that, we are gonna need glycerin, and we just have to add half a teaspoon glycerin in it. And then mixing all these three ingredients really nicely to make a smooth, creamy and a lump-free paste. And once all these ingredients are nicely mixed, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And we just have to add 2 teaspoons aloe vera gel in it. And then again mix everything really nicely to make a smooth, creamy, fluffy and a lump-free paste. And once all the ingredients are nicely mixed, your homemade skin lightening and whitening cream is ready, and it will look like this. And the consistency of this cream should be medium, neither so thick and nor so runny, and it should be so much creamy and fluffy like I'm showing you in the video. So now let me tell you how to store this 100% natural homemade coffee cream. And the procedure to store this cream is very easy and simple. Just store this cream in any airtight container. And here I'm just transferring this cream into this small airtight container. And you can store this cream in refrigerator for up to 15 to 20 days. This 100% natural skin lightening and whitening cream is a homemade solution to almost all your skin related issues. It improves your skin complexion and evens out your skin tone, making it much fairer, glowing and radiant, and also removes all the dark spots and acne scars. And it also helps in completely removing your suntan from your skin and makes your skin much fairer, glowing, radiant, even toned and spotless. This cream also works great in removing your fine lines, wrinkles and all types of aging signs from your skin and makes your skin ageless, spotless and much radiant and glowing than before. So now let me tell you the procedure to use this cream to get effective results within few days. So the method to use this cream is very easy and simple. You just need to take a little amount of this cream and then apply it all over your skin and then massage it in circular motions for about 30 to 45 seconds. Just gently massage this cream all over your skin so that your skin completely absorbs this cream and gives you a radiant, glowing and a youthful effect. And after applying this cream, just leave it overnight. And for the best results, you have to use this cream twice in a day, once in the morning and the other before going to bed, for at least 3 to 5 days to get best and effective results on your skin. And after using this cream for at least 3 to 5 days, you will notice that your skin have become more fairer, glowing, youthful, radiant and glowing. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And I will see you next time. Bye bye. Take care.